You know what's a total game changer? Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with power and can do wonder for your body. Let me tell you where they work best. For hair wants thicker, healthier hair, pumpkin seeds has rich in nutrients that reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. Just add them to your diet for stronger strength. For skin, they help keep your skin fresh and glowing. The antioxidant fight against and zinc help with acne. Eat a handful daily for clear skin. For digestion, struggle with bloating or digestion issues, pumpkin seeds are high in fiber, keeping your gut happy and healthy. For sleep and stress, can't sleep well, feeling stressed. These seeds have magnesium, which relax your mind and help you sleep better. For heart health, they help lower the bad cholesterol, improve blood flow, and keep your heart strong. So yeah, pumpkin seeds are tiny but mighty. Add them to your snack or meal and see the difference yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such videos.